Okay, what did you do? Okay, what did you do today? You don't have class, it's Sunday. Okay, Tom, can you please move your camera like that a little bit so the teacher can see you backward. Okay, like that. Okay. Okay, now, so are you ready, Tom?
Okay.
Okay, teacher. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, for a while. I have to share this one. Okay. Okay, Tom, we are already in lesson 3.
Literature,
History.
geography,
Chemistry.
text.
Okay, we are in lesson 3. Okay, for a while. Okay.
1.
Okay. So we already talked about how many lessons do you have today? Do you still remember that? You remember that, Tom? You remember our lesson? I asked you, how many lessons do you have today? That was our past lesson. Okay, now let's move here. We are in lesson 3. Okay, and lesson 3, look at this one. Oh.
Literature, geography,
Maths.
Chemistry.
Biology.
Okay, so these are the vocabulary words that we need to learn. First, we have literature. Hello? Literature.
Literature.
History.
History.
Geography.
Geography.
Math.
Math.
Chemistry.
Chemistry.
Biology.
Biology.
Okay, so when we say literature, this is all about English. This one. This is English. Okay. Okay. When we say history, this is all about the past. What happened in the past. Okay. When we say chemistry and biology, this is all about science. Okay. So when we see chemistry and biology, these are the sciences. Okay. Of course, when we say math, it talks about number. Okay. Did you understand me, Tom? You
Yeah.
understand me? Okay, very good, Tom. So now these are the subjects. These are the subjects. But in your elementary, you will be having only math, this one. Do you have history subject? History. No? No. Okay. You will be having only math. Chemistry and biology, this will be on your junior high. So you don't have subject like this yet because you are still in your elementary. When you will be in junior high, you will be in grade 8, you will be taking up biology. So when you will be grade 9, you will have your chemistry. Okay. So now, Tom, these are the words: literature, history, geography, math, chemistry, and biology. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, here. Okay, here. So in grammar, we have here, how many lessons do you have today? Okay, I have. How many lessons? How many lessons do you have today, Tom?
I have 2 lessons.
Okay, I have 2 lessons, teacher. Okay, sorry, Tom. Okay, wait for a while, Tom. I need to... Oh my God, wait for a while, Tom. Okay, so let's have this. Okay, so we have here in grammar. So how many lessons do you have today? I have 2 lessons. Okay, that's good. You're great in answering this one. Again, Tom, how many lessons do you have today?
I have 2 lessons, teacher.
Okay, I have 2 lessons, teacher. Next, look at this one. Okay, we have here 4 questions. Now, can you answer? You will have to choose the correct answer. Number 1, I will read. The class blank at 7 o'clock in the morning. What is the answer? Starts, start, and ends. What's your answer for number 1, Tom? What's your answer?
Start.
Okay, the answer is?
Start.
Okay, the answer here is starts. Very good, Tom. Okay. The answer here is starts. Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, the answer is starts. Teacher, why it's not start? Okay, look at this one. Look at teacher. The answer here is starts with letter S because we are referring the class. One group, singular. So we have to add S for the verb. The verb here, Tom, the verb is start. Start, the verb. This is the verb, this one. Okay, yeah. That one, start. So, since this is singular, the class is a singular that acted as one. So, you will have to put S on the verb. We assume, Tom, in our starters and in the movers, you will learn the subject-verb agreement. Okay, you will learn about that. Okay, so again, we use starts with S because the class acted as one. One class, one whole class. There are 30 students in one class. So therefore, I am referring to one class. That is why, Tom, it is singular. So when it is singular, it always takes a singular form of the verb. Can you see this one? You have to put S. Okay? You understand that? You
Yeah.
understand? Okay. Next, number 2. Very good, Tom. Good job. Number 2, what's your answer? Tom, can you read number 2?
E. What? What?
Okay. Blank are you talking to? I am talking to my friend Fan. What is your answer?
What? E.
Letter D. Do you think it is letter D? Who are you talking to? I am talking to my friend Fan. Fan is a person. So what is your answer? Yeah, go like that. Very good, very good. You do like those, so I can see you. Okay, so you are talking to your friend Fan. Fan is a person. So what do you think is the correct answer? Who, which, when, what? What's your answer? Go, go Tom. What's your answer? Look, what is your answer? You are talking to?
Who?
Yes, the answer is teacher. It's letter A. It's who. Look at this one. Yeah, that's the answer. You know why? You know, Tom, why? Because, look at teacher. Okay. Are you with your friend beside you? Is your friend beside you?
Yeah.
Your friend?
Em nói
Okay, Tom. Listen to teacher. Okay, where's your friend is beside you? You have your friend? Okay. Okay, here. You listen carefully. Your friend. Okay. Okay, you listen carefully. Try to look at teacher and on the computer. Okay. So here. Blank are you talking to? I am talking to my friend Fan. Okay. Fan is a person. It's a person. So therefore, you will have to use who. Because who is for person. Which is for things. When is for time. And what is for reason. Okay. Remember, you are talking to Fan. Fan is a person. So therefore, you will use who. Who are you talking to? I am talking to my friend Fan. Okay, do you understand, teacher? Do you understand, teacher Anne?
Yeah.
Okay, exactly. Number 3.
Yeah.
Blank, do you go to bed at 10:30? What is your answer? What, how, where, or what time? Go, Tom. What is your answer? Go, Tom.
D.
Letter D. Let's see. Okay, here your answer is letter D. Oh, very good. Now, I will ask you, why you answer what time? Why?
How? What time you go to bed?
Okay. Why? Wow. Why did you answer what time? Why? Because?
Because it was 10 time.
Very good. Yes, exactly, Tom. Because what time? The answer is 10:30. It's a time. Very good, Tom. Yay. Okay, good job. Number 4. Blank lessons do you have today? We have 4 lessons. Okay. Blank lessons do you have today? We have 4 lessons, teacher. Okay. What is your answer? How far?
C.
How much?
How many?
How many?
How
What
many?
time? What's the answer?
How many?
Letter C. Okay, let's
How
see.
many?
Oh, let's see. Your answer is correct. Then very good again. Okay, so how many? Why is it? It's how many? Why?
Lesson and 4 lessons.
Yeah, very good. Because you asked how many lessons. So we have 4 lessons. Do you understand, Tom? You understand,
Yeah.
teacher? Okay, great job, Tom. Yeah, very good. Okay, so very easy, right? Easy? Very easy? Very easy, Tom? Okay, now, Tom, do you understand? Do you understand, Tom? You understand, teacher?
Yeah.
Okay, you have questions? You have question? Or no?
Yeah.
No, okay, great job. Next one here. Okay, now, oh, sorry. Here. Now, I have here some questions about you. You have to answer teacher properly, okay? Number 1, when do you have your English lessons? Okay, okay. When do you have your English lessons? Okay, wait for a while, Tom. I have to correct this one. There should be word your. Okay, here. When do you have your English lesson? Okay. When do you have your English lesson? Okay, can you answer? I have it. I have it. Again, continue. When do you have your English lessons? Go, Tom. When do you have your English lesson? You have your English lesson? I have it twice a week? 3 times a week? What?
Twice a week.
Okay. I have it twice a week. Again, when do you have your English lesson, Tom? Again, I have it.
Twice a week.
I have it.
I have it twice a week.
Very good. Okay. So you have to do or to complete your answer. Every time teacher asks, you have to complete the answer. When do you have your English lesson, Tom? I have it 2 times a week or twice a week, teacher. Number 2, what is your favorite subject, Tom? What is your favorite subject? Yeah. What is the subject that you really like most? Yeah. The subject that you like most. What's your favorite subject? Tom? What is your favorite subject? Do you like English? Do you like math? Do you like computer? What?
Math.
Oh, I like math. Wow. You like numbers. You like to count? Okay. 5 times 2 times 2. 7 times 7. 7 times 7. Look at teacher. 7 times 7? Look at teacher. 7 times 7? What is the answer? It's 49. 7, this is 7. 7 times 7, that's 49. Yeah. How did teacher know it? It's 10, 20, 30, 40. So 40 plus the remaining 3. 3 times 3, 9. So 49. Oh, teacher is very good of that. Counting. Oh, okay. Now here, what do you usually do in your free time? Tom, what do you usually do in your free time? Go, Tom. In your free time, what do you usually do?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't play soccer? You don't play football? Or you play with your friends? If you don't have anything to do, what will you play? What will you do? I play in the computer. Tom, do you play in the computer? Do you play in the computer? Go, Tom. Water.
Play football.
Basketball. Okay, you answer. You answer teacher completely. I play basketball during my free time. Okay. I play
basketball in free time.
Yay! But wow, do you like basketball? Next, what do you usually do after school? So what do you usually do after school? After school, what did you do? Tom, what do you usually do after school? Go. Go, Tom. What do you usually do after school?
Now.
I will? What do you usually do? You think, if you did after school, what did you usually do? Do you play basketball? Do you play soccer? What did you do? I play games. Oh my God. You play games with whom? With your friends? The boy beside you?
Yeah.
Oh, who's that boy beside you? Who's that boy beside you? Oh, your friend? Oh, let me see the boy beside you. Okay, so your friend is the boy beside you. Okay, now Tom. Okay, here now. How often do you go swimming? How often do you go swimming? Tom, look at here. Look at this one. Look at teacher. How often do you go swimming? How? Do you know how to swim? Tom, do you know how to swim, Tom? Oh, really? Do you know how to swim? Tom, do you know how to swim? You answer, teacher. Do you know how to swim? Okay, teacher will repeat. No? This is with teacher. I don't know how to swim also. Well, give me 5. Tom. Tom. Look at teacher. Look at teacher Anne. Teacher Ann don't know how to swim. Give me 5, Tom. Tom, where is your hand? Where is that? Give me 5 because you don't know how to swim. Oh, the same with teacher. You don't know how to swim? No? Tom?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, the same with teacher. Teacher don't know how to swim. Okay, here, now. Tom, before anything else, you are talking with your friend? Your friend is your friend or your brother? Is that your brother? Beside you?
Baby brother.
Your baby brother?
Who hit me?
Why? Okay, Tom. What happened? What happened?
The computer ran out of battery.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Okay, here. So, Tom, continue.
Oh.
Okay. You tell your friends, please. Tom, your friends is there? Your brother? Okay. So, we are now in lesson 4. We have vocabulary words. Literature, physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay. Okay. Look at this one. You will go to reading. You will read and complete. Okay.
Teacher, yeah.
Yeah? Okay, here. Now, you will have to tell me the answers is here. The answers can be found in here. So you will have to pick the answers. Now, do you have paper with you, Tom? Paper.
Yeah.
Okay.
Không sao thì học đi. Đang học rồi.
Okay. Tom? Now,
Okay.
Tom, you will answer 1, 2, 3 until 10. Okay, you write the answers 1 to 10. Okay, your paper, you write numbers 1 to 10. You can pick the answers here. Pick the answers from here. Okay, the answers here. These are your answers. Okay. Choose your answers here, and after you tell me if you are done. If you are finished, you tell teacher. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, answer now. You write your answer in the paper.
Nên primary là gì đấy?
Just tell me if you are finished writing in the paper. Tell me I'm done.
No. Đừng phụ gì đây, gọi để ấy đi. Chưa. Chưa.
Okay, Tom, you answer.
No. Nó sẽ kêu rồi. Thử hỏi. Không hỏi. Có hỏi. Sao rồi? Vừa 27. Dạ? Đúng vừa 27. Nó sẽ kêu của chi nữa. Ừ. Em đặt báo thức đấy. Em đặt nó kệ nó. Đừng phá. Nó hỏi rồi.
Okay, just answer. Tell me if you're finished.
Yeah. No.
Okay, answer. Just tell me if you are finished. Say finish, teacher.
I'm on the screen. Im. Đúng ra. Primary school. Anh tập trung học đi. Nào đi, làm đi. Lo học. Với là gì? Với là gì? Kapag wala. Em biết bài đánh là gì hả? Nên bảo cô này đến từ đâu đấy? Yeah. Visit teacher.
Yeah, Pantado is calling, asking if you are in already.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're in here. Tom is in. You're done? Are you done? Finished? Not yet. Not yet. What number are you? Number? Okay, go Tom, go. You answer now. Sorry, I disturbed.
Okay.
You're done? Yay. Are you done?
Okay.
Okay, now, what is your answer for number 1? My name is Yang. I am in class B. Dongda, what's the answer? Dongda?
Primary.
Very good. Number 1, what's the answer? Wow, very good. I live with my parents and my sister in Namden. What's the answer?
2.
Number 2. What's the answer for number 2? I live with my parents and my sister in Namden. Province. Very good. It's province. Number 3. My address is flat 11, the 3rd blank of Nandan Tower. What's the answer? Floor. Again, floor. Very good. Oh, again. Wow, Tom. Number 4. Okay. My city is big, crowded, but pretty. I go to school from Monday morning to Friday morning. In the afternoon, I usually do my blank. What's the answer? Number 4. Homework. Very good. And then sometimes I go to the library blank my friends. What's the answer? 5.
We.
I go to, what's the answer?
We.
With, very good job. With my friends. In the evening, I go to the English club on Monday, Thursday, and Sunday. I have blank lessons
3.
today.
6. 3.
Oh, very good. Number 6, 3. Yay! Next. Okay. My favorite subject is blank. Vietnamese. I have it for blank a week.
Times.
Number
Time.
7 is times. Okay, next. I went to Hanoi with my uncle. I
Visit.
went to Hanoi with my uncle. We blank Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. What's number 8?
Visit.
Visit only? Is that visited? Number 8? Visited. Yes. We visited Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. Okay. We visited Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, Quan Quem Lake, Dong Xuan Market, and Long Bien Bridge. We took a lot of photos. Next summer, my family blank go to Halong Bay. Number 9, what's the answer?
Will.
Very good, Tom. And number 10, we may explore the caves and swim blank the sea. Number 10, yeah. Wow, very good, Tom. Perfect. Yay. Wow, great job. Okay, you've got perfect score. Yay. Okay. Now, Tom, okay, let us this one. Okay, very good, Tom. Okay, here, you've got perfect score. Okay, now here, look at this one. Okay, look at this one. You try to match. Number 1 to 11, you write letter only. You match, example. Number 1, the answer is, okay, sorry. The answer for number 1 is letter F. How do you do in the evening? Okay, I usually do my homework. So you will write like this. Okay, listen, teacher. Okay, sorry. Okay, 1, letter F. Okay, now you answer. Okay. Okay, Tom. It's time for you to answer now. Number 1, F. Okay. Continue answering, please. Write your answer in the paper. Okay. Go, Tom. Okay. Answer number 1 to 11. Just tell me if you are done, if you are finished.
No. Học đi. Anh làm. Làm vậy. Không để đây làm sao? Chắc tính rồi. Đấy chứ. Xóm xì hay sao rồi. Vậy. Để này anh. Nó thế. Bơ tưởng dễ à? Ăn đi. Đi ra rồi. Cá. Tắm. Lâu thế.
Do you find it hard, Tom? Hard, Tom?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay, you answer. It's okay. If you think it's very hard for you, Tom, we can make this as your homework. You want this homework? Homework?
No.
You want this
No.
homework? Are you done? What number are you?
F.
Number 8? Number 8? You're number 8 now? You are in number 8 now?
Nhá đi. Nhá đi.
Tell me if you're done, Tom. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so here. So, Tom, we don't have, okay, look at this one. Okay, we don't have enough time for this. We will continue this one next lesson. Okay, please try to send a picture, okay? Take a photo of your answers and send it to teacher in Zalo, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Send your answer in Zalo and teacher Ann will check it during the next meeting, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Because we don't have enough time for this. We are up to the last minute. Okay. So, again, please try to take a pictures of your answers. The two answers and send it in Zalo with teacher. Okay? Okay, Tom? Okay? Okay, you smile now. You smile. Oh, take a pictures of that. You take a picture. Oh, take a picture. You take a picture. Send it to teacher and Zalo. You tell your mom, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, for now, teacher will say, goodbye, Tom. Goodbye,
Goodbye.
Tom. Okay, see you.